Welcome back. Good news to women. GTDC has commenced a new venture, Women Taxi Services. GTDC Chairman Nilesh Kabral said this is an initiative for women empowerment. 10 taxis with women drivers will launch on Thursday. These services will be provided all over Goa from 7 in the morning till 9 in the evening starting from Friday. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar said government plans to give tourists international level services. Now you can just dial toll-free number 243-7437 and you can get taxi services. An initiative of GTDC for women empowerment and safety to women. Trained women drivers with latest technology in taxis have been provided. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar launched the service on Thursday.
बिझनेसाची बदनामी जायना मीटर हो बेनिफिशियल सगळ्यांक आमी येणाऱ्या काळात इन अ बेस्ड मॅनर आफ्टर हॅविंग एप्रोप्रिएट डिस्कशन विथ द पर्सन असोसिएशन ताज्या नंतर मीटर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ॲक्टिव्हिटी आमी चालू करतले.
आता फॉर अ चेंज आमी आता वुमन्स टॅक्सी सर्वीस चालू केल्या GTDC. कारण कितें नंबर 1 म्हणल्यार टू गिव वुमन एम्पावरमेंट. आमी भायल्या देशांत बी वयता खंय वयता आमी बायलां चलयता ती पळयता आणि जेन्ना बायलां चलयता तेन्ना ताका एटिकेट्सूय बरें मेळटा आणि वुमन पॅसेंजर आसा ताका एक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मेळटा की वुमन ड्रायव्हर आसा. सो एक इनिशिएटीव आमी घेतला की वुमन टॅक्सी सर्विसीस लॉन्च करपाक. आज आमी 10 टॅक्सीनी चालू केला आणि 10 टॅक्सीनी चालू केला तितून 10 गोंयची आमची भुरगीं ट्रेन करून सगळे तांकां रेडी केल्ले आणि आमचें ऑपरेशन मे बी फाल्यांच्यान परवांचें चालू जातलें. बेसीक कॉन्सेप्ट हो आसा की वुमन टॅक्सी म्हणल्यार कंपल्सरी एक वुमन गाडयेन आसपाक जाय. आता फॅमिली जर टॅक्सी सर्वीस मागता तेन्ना ती फॅमिलीन हजबंड वायफ आणि भुरगीं आसपाक जाय. वुमन म्हणटा तूं कंपल्सरी आसपाक जाय नाल्यार टॅक्सी सर्विसीस ती जावचे ना ओन्ली फॉर मॅन जावचे ना. आता सद्याक आमी हे सर्वीस फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 7 टू इवनिंग 9 चालू दवरतले आणि कशें बसता तशें मागीर टॅक्सी वाडयतले.
फर्स्ट टायम म्हणजे आमी लेडीज कितें तरी करपाक जाता म्हणून आमी आमचे ट्युरिस्ट भायरचे ट्युरिस्ट येतात ते हांगा गोव्यान सेफ्टी म्हणजे तांकां जाय जाल्यार लेडीज जाय लेडीजा बरोबर लेडीज गेली तांकांय सेफ्टी आनी आमकांय म्हणजे बऱ्याक पडलें. आमचे टॅलंट दाखोवपाक मेवलें. आमचे टॅलंट आमी फक्त वुमेन्स म्हणून घरान 4 कॉर्नर्सान आसलेली आज आमी समाजांक येयल्या आनी आमकां रेकग्नायज केला GTDCन.
Dilip Parulekar said government plans to give tourists an international level services.
आज आमी सुरवात करता फिमेलचे हितूर आमचे GPS आसतले. हाज्या फुडें वचोन एक फुडले स्टेप म्हणून एक कार्ड सुद्धा स्वॅप करपाक एक पद्दत आसची जेणे करून समज पयशे घेवन भोंवपाची गरज ना. कार्ड जर क्रेडीट आहा तें कार्ड क्रेडीट तुजे अमके पयशे जाल्या नंतर समज 560 जाले कार्ड स्वॅप केले 560 तुका डेबीट जातले. ही सगळी सिस्टम आमकां लो ह्या टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंटान ह्या टॅक्सीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हाडपाक जाय.
10 trained women will provide services to tourists and passengers throughout Goa. GTDC also plans to increase the services. Taxi services will be provided from 7 in the morning till 9 in the evening. While the service is provided compulsorily, a woman will have to be present in the passenger group while travelling from peak point to the destination. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Local residents of Porbawado and Naikawado in Kalangut are furious over a hotel project. They have accused the hotel of releasing sewage in the Nala. Locals have raised apprehensions on rise of dengue in the area. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo said strict action should be initiated against the hotel for violation of health norms. Goa State Pollution Control Board team inspected the site.
आसपास सारकें म्हणजे घाण घेवपाक नासता आनी हें कितें केलें तेणें मारला न्हू साको बारला न्हू तो तें काडून तेणें खोणकुलो कशें केलें आनी तें उदक सारकें साचून उरता थंय आनी चड वास मारता मागीर
आनी सारकें चॅक कर म्हाका घर पडटा ह्याच घरा भाय म्हाज्या घरा सारकें भुरगें आहा कितें आहा पळय
पॉयंट जी आहा पळय आतां ही कानेक दोगांयक जाता ही बॉर्डर ही पोरवाडो हेवटेन हो नायकावाडो दोगांय लोकांक त्रास जाता. आमी आतां सायनी मारून दिल्या पळय ते दोगांय लोकांनी दिल्या नायकोडच्याय लोकांनी दिल्या इवन पोरवाड्याच्या दोगांय लोकांनी दिल्या कळ्ळें न्हू आनी त्रास सगल्यांक जाता हे 5 जाले काय हांगा बसोंक जायना.
MLA says water and electricity supply to the hotel should be terminated if hotel fails to adhere to the norms.
पब्लीक हेल्थ एक्ट म्हणटा जो तर एक हॉटेल आयकोना तुजें कमर्शियल एस्टॅब्लिशमेंट आयकोना जाल्यार तेंची लायट आनी उदक डिस्कनेक्ट करपाक ह्या प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराच्या डॉक्टराक रायट आसा. सो आय टोल्ड हर when they are not listening, there are more than 100 people who had gathered in the morning. So their grievance is that फाल्यां तांकां मलेरिया, डेंगू कितकेच भाशेचे दुयेंस जावंक जाता. कित्याक कालांगुटाचे कितलेच लोक एडमीट आहा in Goa Medical College. Dengue cases are on rise. So this is a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So I have requested her to take action as per law.
त्यासाठी आमचे साहेब तुम्ही किती रिपोर्ट पुट अप करता साहेबा तो मागीर तुम्ही
Media contacted the hotel management, but they refused to speak on camera. However, off-camera agreed to stop release of sewage into the Nalla. Reporter Sham Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
The Indian Super League has arrived in style. It will be interesting to see whether I.S.L can really lift football in the country to a decent level. Many argued that I.S.L will not work on the lines of IPL, but it looks like the I.S.L has made an impressive start with big crowds coming for the matches on a daily basis. Most importantly, football was in need of money to motivate people to make a career in it, and the I.S.L seems to have brought together all stakeholders to build a big money football industry. Here is Prudent's exclusive report on Goa's welcome to the I.S.L bandwagon.
Right from the time FC Goa players left the team hotel in Panji for Nehru Stadium, it was clear that the frenzied pre-match anticipation was turning into one big football party at Fatorda. Fans of football and the curious ones who were coming to watch a match at the stadium for the first time were in the queue hours before the kickoff. Never seen before scenes like this at a football match warms the heart as Indian Super League is being looked up as a revolution in Indian football. People from all walks of life were seen having a great time at Nehru Stadium. Even the politicians enjoyed their me time as they soaked in the atmosphere at the first match of I.S.L at Fatorda. FC Goa owners Srinivas Dempo and Dattaraj Salgaonkar were enjoying the company of Chennai FC owner Abhishek Bachchan. Such a marriage of industrialists, Bollywood icons and sports stars was limited to IPL cricket before, but the I.S.L has now become a reality. The opener in Goa was a successful event, except the result, as the hosts went down fighting to Chennai FC. Nevertheless, FC Goa won the hearts of all football crazy Goans with their attacking style. FC Goa fans will be hoping that the team gets the results on the field as well, while the home team will be hoping for continuing support in the form of match day turnout at Fatorda. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with Chetan Gawas and Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयता प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.